40,000 scholarship. Okay, the Vice-Chancellor's International Scholarship Scheme.
Hello guys. Are you a dreamer? Have you ever dreamt of studying in one of the top destinations for international students, which is Australia? If this sounds like you, all you have to do is to sit with me as we dive deeply into the University of Sydney that offers over 100 plus university scholarship for both domestic and international students. We will explore this university, looking at the courses the university has to offer, the requirements for you to be admitted, the process of you applying for admission. Then I will take you through the different or various scholarship this university has for both international students and of course domestic students. We are going to look at entrance scholarship for those of us who have not even started our studies in the university. And that's the focus. As I often tell you, that if there are opportunities out there that I know, if I were in your shoes, that I know I cannot apply for, I will never, and ever bring them to you. For the fact that I'm bringing this to you, if I were in your shoes, definitely is something I would have given a try. Okay? So, if content like this interests you, all you have to do is to be part of the family by liking this video, subscribing to this channel. If you are watching this video on TikTok, first of all, you have to give this video a like. If you are on Facebook, definitely just like and follow me. On YouTube, all you have to do is just to give this video a like, subscribe, and share the content. Now on TikTok, you give this video a like, then go to my YouTube channel or Facebook page, and of course, look at the complete video. Okay? And the same if you are on Instagram. Okay? So, guys, just sit with me as I take you through the university interface. Now, before we go, one of the qualities I think everybody, every scholarship seeker should have is the ability or the confidence to explore university website or scholarship website. Is going to help you a lot. That's all you need. You just need the confidence. Take one of those musics that you know you like so much, okay, and just be listening to them and navigate the university website interface, exploring these opportunities, okay, and of course, always be ready to ask questions. There are numbers, there are emails you can reach out to. Okay. Okay, guys, enough of the talking. Let's get into business and let me show you what the university has. See you, and I wish you the very best in this nerve-wracking process. Bye bye.
Okay, guys. So once you come to the university um, interface or website, all you have to do is to start with finding the courses the university offers. Because before going for a scholarship, you have to know whether the university offers your program. Okay. So let's just come down here and see. So if you click on study, let's see what we have. Find a course. Okay. So let's just click on that. So once you are here, you see the courses, you can filter, okay? All levels, undergraduate, postgraduate, research, the field, architecture, design and planning, art and social sciences, business economics. So you can just basically, so for this one, I'm just going to scroll down, okay? I'm not going to select anything. So just all courses. I'm not going to by subject area. So this is Bachelor of Arts Honors. It's a bachelor's program, economics, design, economics, engineering honors, biomedical or medical sciences, engineering honors, civil, bachelor's in architecture, library art, bachelor of science. Basically, so if you go like from just masters, click on this. Okay, this is postgraduate, yes. So it can be master's. This is doctorate of philosophy, master's of clinical psychology, Masters of Commerce, Extension, Masters of Engineering, Software, Masters of Environmental Science, Masters of Exercise, Physiology, Masters of Health Communication, Masters of Heritage, Conversation or Conservation, Master of International Business, Mathematical Sciences, Therapy. So you can just, then the next one, Occupational Therapy, Mathematical Science, Health Communication, third one, a lot and lots of them, lots and lots of them. You can still put this one full time just to reduce and study mode face to face. Okay, that means you're going to study in Australia. So you see lots and lots of courses here. I can't name them all because I don't want to make this video very long. Field of study, if you want to do, maybe just click on this one and just look at it. Then you have the next list, mathematical science, occupational therapy. You go to the next one, then you have fourth, urbanization, professional engineering, masters of extensive care, nursing, lots and lots of them. Then you click on the next one, fourth, coaching, engineering, heritage studies, environmental science and law. Okay, you go to the next one, 5, 6, and so many of them. Mechanical engineering, electrical, biomedical, okay, aeroscope, biomedical, electrical, lots and lots of them, professional engineering. Okay, so guys, so once you've seen the courses, okay, now you can just click on one and dig deeply into the particular course that interests you. Let's say you choose justice, developmental studies, you just have to click on it and get more details. Okay, guys, so now you're here about this course. Who is it for? It will tell you everything. Duration, intake, semester 1, semester 2. Click here to see the semester start date. Okay, the location, study mode, face to face, additional information, credit point 72. Okay, we have courses like this, CRICOS, career path. They will tell you everything here. Similar areas, so in case maybe you don't want to study, you can study some of these areas as well. Okay, so that's it. So you can see here the cost and admission. You can click on admission, international student, yes, available to student visa holders. So meaning this course is available for students, for international students. Other international students with study guides may also be eligible. Learn more. Qualification mandatory. Okay, a bachelor's degree with a minimum credit 65 average calculated over a whole degree from the University of Sydney with a major in the humanities or social science. Completion of the requirements for embedded graduate certificate, international qualification now. So that I think for qualification awarded outside Australia, equivalencies and entry requirements are determined based on country institution. So based on your country, English language requirements, you can see it here, first language, not my first language, you can how to apply. So once you are done everything, you can see a semester 1, semester 2 starts at the application timeline, the 3rd June, it's going to commencement of the year. So you apply by that time. Okay, so scholarship applications, separate deadline apply for scholarships. So you can view the view scholarship closing date. Okay, so once you dig in deeply to that particular university, now let's look at the different scholarship because I don't want to make this video very long. Okay, so if you click on this, this is one of the scholarship. Sydney International Undergraduate Academic Excellence Scholarship, an undergraduate scholarship. Now you can see it a 100% tuition fee and SSAF for the published full-time duration of the recipient's single undergraduate degree. Eligibility, you have to be international student, apply for but not yet commence a single undergraduate coursework degree. So it's just like you're applying to the university. Open date is ongoing and closing date. That means it's still open. Okay. How to apply? You just click here. Only because the benefits you see here, 100% tuition fee, student service, amenity fees, who is eligible. You can read everything about eligibility. Okay. Okay. You can read it here, the background, eligibility, everything. Just dig in. Now let's look at another scholarship. Now, these are departmental scholarship. There are certain scholarship you must have been already in the university. Different scholarship, various scholarship, and this is just for one area. I mean, like meaning a faculty, okay? And that's for like College of Arts. You see the different various scholarship: 4,000, 10,000, 10,000, 12,000, 9,000, 8,000. Various amounts of scholarship. You just have to read them. If I start reading them, this video is going to be like 2 hours. So anyone you clicked in, you see different scholarships, language and culture. If you click on each of this one, political science, if you click, you see this one, memorial scholarship. Each of this is faculty of arts. So you see now this is like faculty of engineering. If you click on faculty of engineering again, you are going to have different scholarship. Chemical, this is for civil. If you click on this, you see Francis Marion Smith Scholarship in Civil Engineering, LR and BA. Just click on them. Different scholarship, various ones. You see these ones, international students, as you can see, our current school leaver. So different is undergraduate, 19,000, industrial placement scholar, full-time undergraduate, postgraduate coursework, combined degree, undertake a placement scheme, 5,000, 15,000, up to $60,000. Okay, like different scholarship, 10,000, 20,000, up to 4 years, 21,000, 10,000. Just take your time to read all this. You need help, you can see this information. If you need help, contact us. Always reach out. Okay, stay informed. You subscribe to them if you want to get more details. So you can always find a scholarship if you click on this one. Now let's look at another scholarship opportunity. I think yes, this is another one. Of course, it has to be, look at this. This is another scholarship, international students apply for the CRO. You remember the course? I have forgotten the course I clicked on. Okay, you can see here CRICOS, registered coursework degree, receive an unconditional offer up to 40,000 scholarship. Okay, the Vice-Chancellor's international scholarship scheme. Lots and lots of scholarships here. Up to 100,000. This is in Indian equity scholarship. Various ones all over the world. Okay, lots and lots of them. These are general scholarship for postgraduate coursework scholarships. Okay, postgraduate, it has to be master's or PhD. Okay, I think this is the same thing which we looked at, and this is a different one. Okay, yes, okay, this is the Vice-Chancellor. Okay, up to 40,000, and you can see here the semesters. Okay, the closing date, round 3, you have up to the 3rd of June. This one has closed, so you can apply now. To that time, once you have all the documents, up to 40,000 payable, who is eligible. Okay, postgraduate research. So if you click on research as well, this is like for PhD. Okay, they have other scholarships. This is for domestic students. This is general scholarship and faculty scholarship. Okay, so if you click on this one, the general scholarships, for the research, you see different scholarship by research, different ones, various tuition fee, Chinese. You see Commonwealth scholarship, various, the Council for Australian Arab Relations, the DBH. Okay, and there is one I have not seen. I now remember that. Let me take you back. So as I explained in my intro, you can always search here. The RHO, I guess. Let me just see. Like, scholarship, Rodney scholarship. I don't know if I have spelled that correctly, but let's see what comes up. Sydney, Australia, Rodney Scholarship, Engineering, General Undergraduate Scholarship. Okay, yes, I guess it's this one. I still have postgraduate, different scholarship here. So let's click on this one. I think General Scholarship, National Bachelor's. Let's see. Bachelor's and Honors. Need to see this scholarship. Okay, guys. So yeah, so this is another guy's scholarship as well. The Rondin scholarship, course fee, so they will pay everything, and a stipend of 18,180. Is that euros? I guess. Yes, per annum. So if you click on this, you get all the details about this scholarship. Okay. So let's wait on it. This is the scholarship. What is it? You can read about it here. Okay. You can read about it, everything, the selection criteria, check for eligibility and apply. Okay. So that's it, guys. If this video has been helpful, all you have to do is to consider subscribing to this channel. Just dig in, just dig in. Like, I don't want to take your time. If we are going to explore this university, actually, as I wanted, will take like an hour plus, okay, just to look at the different scholarship. You can just read this one, click on this selection criteria, check the eligibility and apply. If you click on check eligibility, check your eligibility, you see this one, application, your country. So first you have to click on country. So let's say if my country is Sierra Leone, you can see it here. So you just check your eligibility, open it. You just have to answer this question. You see the constituency is West Africa. Okay, step 2 and 3. Are you from these countries? Ghana, Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, Liberia. Okay, Nigeria. Okay, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Sao Tome. So if you click yes, then you come to this again, education. Have you ever been resident in one of those countries? Yes, for the at least 5 years. You go to age. If you are within the age here, just read. You click yes. Once that's done, I'm just going to click all for yes, basically. Okay, academic achievement, then the 6 again, I click yes, then you continue. Okay, look at it there. You can use the eligibility checker below to find out if you're eligible. Okay, oh, this is required. I have not clicked on this one yet. Okay, once you are done, you click on continue. You meet the eligibility criteria for the Bonding Scholarship for West Africa. Okay, great news. All you have to do, find more about and apply. That's all you have to do. Just check the selection criteria. Okay, guys. So bye-bye. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching my content.